Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Fadil Besarifi with student ID number 2024-3243. And now I will explain to you about my practical report. That is my first report, my first program. It's about um, regression in machine learning lecture. So without further ado, maybe I can start with import library. Of course, we need to import the library first. Like it is the essential like pandas, numpy, and matplotlib for visualization. So pandas for um read data. Yes, like that, something like that. Numpy is for mathematical operational. And the next one, the next cell is we will read and save the data set to our variable. So I named here the variable is df. So the syntax is df equal pd as a pandas dot or point reads underscore csv, the name of the file. So I check the dataset from UC Learning. So it's all about student and what the variable is affect the what the result or the student's score with the separator is semicolon, yes. And the next one is drop na. It means I will or drop all is not a number. So to make sure the data is clean from ambiguity, from uh, zero or missing values. So the next one drop duplicates. So to make sure there is no duplicates in my data or our data. So the next one, the next cell is df describe. It's already EDA segment. So will describe the data in general, like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, the quartile, and the maximum. So the count is 1395 data we got here. The next one is df info. So it will um, present or it will tell us what is the type or data type of the column. So the first one, school is object, sex is objects, age is integer, like that. Study type is integer. So we will know what is quantitative or qualitative. Okay, category or numerative, like that, something like that. Okay, the next one is def is the sum. You can see the result is 0, 0, 0, 0. It means there is nothing, it's not a number value in the our data. So 0, 0, 0 means there is nothing. Zero missing values. Okay. Okay, the next one. The next is import train test split from sklearn model section. And I give name is TTAs as a TTAs. Okay. And next I will save the variable or declaration the variable. So X for study time, failures, absence, G1, G2, and Y is G3. And have you to mention guys, I just take integer that's type some some just only a few, not all. So I take this study time, failures, absence, G1 and G2. to see the difference or how much the that variables affect our dependent variable, which mean is G3, the result of in the end. Okay, we already the next is separate the data from for X train, X test, Y train, Y test. With test size is 25% for test data, and the other like around 75% is for training data. Random set is 42. And the next is we import the linear regression for skeleton linear model. And we need to save the model linear regression in our variable. It means which is model. And we call the function fit for xtrain and ytrain, and linear regression already created. Okay, already made. Okay, next one is visualization. It's called PLT as a PLT as pipe plot and called the function scatter and D2 and G3. Okay, the for the x-axis and y-axis. G2 is x-axis and G3 is y-axis, which means our independent variable, and G2 is our independent variable. Why I just take D2? So I take the most significant, the affecting the G3 result. So I can do um, much variables or much independent variables in one plot. So I will take the most significant. Okay, all right, got it for now, of course. And X line, Y line, it's for make the plot or visualization is clearly visible and readable. Okay, all right. Okay, we already in the evaluation cell. So from a scalar matrix, import mean square error and R2 score, and pred is our prediction variable, and we use the model predict with X test, and MSE is mean square error with Y test and Y pred as a parameter. So R2 score with Y test and Y pred parameter to see the evaluation or score among the test and the prediction. So we can see how the model is the model, the result of the model. So it is for the evaluation. So the model QF for seeing the result from the regression itself. So this is one for the model and this is one for the regression itself. So we can see here, um, we can see is negative, negative, and positive, positive, positive. It means the negative is far more affecting the G3, and the positive is means it has positive relationship. So we can see 0.97, it's so high. It means the G2 is most significantly affect the G3 result. All right, maybe just that I can explain to you guys. I hope you understand, and I'm sorry for your maybe you don't understand what I'm saying. Okay, see ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.